Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can schedule a Teams meeting. So, to begin with, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, then go into the calendar. While at the calendar, just tap on this plus sign over here, give meeting a title, this meeting that you're planning to schedule a title, then add participants if you would like to. After that, set the time frames for it. So today is 16th of January, so I'll set this meeting to start tomorrow at 7:30 and end tomorrow at 8, let's say. In here you can make it recurring meeting, so change how frequently it should be repeated. It should be repeated at the first place. And mark location, and set some description for it. So the participants will know what this meeting is all about if you would like to provide them with additional details. Once you're ready to save the changes or to schedule the meeting, just tap on done over here. And as you can see at the calendar tomorrow, we have successfully scheduled a meeting. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.